Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. Today we're doing some pit bike adventures. As you can see, we got the 50 behind me. So let's head over to the homie Jimmy's house and start shredding.
You want to cruise around and go towards the casino?
I'm down to go wherever, bro. Alright, where are we going?
Well, I'm feeling good because I haven't rode much. It's like when you take a little break and you get back on, it's like, you got some music going too, like.
It's a vibe. Alright, I guess we're off. Yes, sir. That's what we're talking about right there. You still got it? Cop. You seen the cop?
What?
Cop.
There's a cop?
I think so.
You want to go past him in a wheelie or what?
I was already in a wheelie going at him.
Oh, was he coming at us?
At the light, yeah. But I don't know 100%. It might have just been like a fake cop.
You can turn back around and really past him.
Hey, why don't you do that and I'll record it? And that's payback for on my pit bike.
So like,
We're exploring, bro.
where do you want to go?
I don't know. Where's the casino?
The casino's right over here at this red light. It's close. I don't know if you want to go there yet. But
It's closed?
no, it's close at the red
close.
light. She was vibing.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Just send it to Florida.
Yeah, there's a cop right there, so
Bust that thing up. Bring it up.
should I?
I don't know. He'll probably light us up, man.
I'll wait. I don't want to get caught already.
I pulled over.
We're about to go gambling on our pit bikes right now. You know what the vibe is. Yo, where are you taking me, bro? Is it in here?
Yeah.
Jimmy Road.
Hey.
You are just crazy. You're not winning tonight.
Oh, I'm winning tonight.
No, you're not.
I've been on a pretty
No,
good roll.
last Wednesday night when after we left.
Is this really how you guys got here?
Hell yeah.
Good old pit bikes. So hopefully no one takes them, bro.
Jackpot increased.
Let's go. God damn it. Go! I'm gonna be swerving.
Okay.
I don't think so, no. Damn, they lock it up.
Skate park's so
Especially
sick.
for like a little pit bike.
What, dude? Like you have a tabletop you can try, some step ups.
Oh.
Like, dude, like a little snake run in the back, you can't tell. Like there's a little snake run, there's a huge bowl.
You think we could throw a bike over? I was joking. They bunny off the curb. That was sick. Oh, let's go. Hello. Oh, nice, man. Yo, this is sick.
You wanna do a little bridge jumping? I used to walk here after the skate park and I'd jump off this to cool off.
You good, bro?
Yeah. Oh.
You went in the worst spot because your front tire just got caught.
They just started sliding forward. It's funny because I heard both of us start yelling. We're like, ah!
I was like, oh.
Like, this is my first time wearing this.
Brand new white tee.
Brand new.
Hey, what do you expect, bro? We're on Pit Bike Adventures.
Yes, sir.